Alright, so I'm in this website and you can see these users right here are making money just by posting. This user right here makes $15 per one post. This one makes $50 per one post, and the last one makes $100 just by posting on the platform. So this means you can be in a position to make more than $3,000 per 1 month just by posting. In the middle of this video, I'll be happy to share with you this another website that is going to pay you more than $300 just by posting one post. And the good thing about all these websites that I'm going to share with you is that you can work from comfort of your home, but also these websites are nearly available all over the world. So let's dive in and see how this website work and how you can really get paid from this website. So our very first website is called Greatest, and on this platform you can end up making up to $125 per one post that you're going to post on the platform. And this post can be article about health and relationship, fitness, and all the stuff. So with the help of ChatGPT, you can get query article, you can get a really good article within a very short time. You can find this article, any article that you want about health, relationship. You can just go ahead and ask ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can write for you good article. You just have to make sure that you relate this article to be in a very good shape so that it can get accepted. After that, you have to submit on this platform. It can be about relationship, it can be about health, it can be about mental health. So after submitting this article on the platform, you can get paid up to $125 on the platform. And I did encourage you because I've seen a lot of people, they just making reasonable amount of money just by doing very simple tasks on the platform. So go ahead and try and see how much you're going to make. All you want to do is for you to go on this platform, greatest.com, and you can scroll down here and find this place which is written as career, and you have to click here. So you have to join and start submitting this article on the platform. Next on the list we have Fiverr, and a lot of us know about this website. So on this website you can get paid up to $100 just by publishing and writing article for someone. There are a lot of people on the platform, they're searching for someone who can write article for them, and in return they pay them decent amount of money. So there are a lot of people who are searching for article writers on the platform. There are a lot of people who are willing to write article for anyone who is ready to work with them. So you really have to go there and you can choose how much you charge for any article that you are willing to write for someone. So you can just go ahead and join on this platform, and you can start receiving different email and messages of people who want to work with you. Our next website is called Copy Hackers, and this website is willing to pay you up to $5,000 per 1 month just by writing an article on the platform. And this website is now hiring people who are ready to work with them. And the topics that can be discussed on this platform can be about launching new business, how to start a new business, and all the stuff. So if you're interested on topics like this, you have to go ahead and search on Google Copy Hackers jobs, and you can find there are a lot of jobs opportunity on this platform, and you can start making money just by writing articles about business, and you can get paid up to $5,000 per 1 month. So you really have to go ahead and try to see how much you're really going to make on the platform. All of this is just by posting articles, and you get paid a reasonable amount of money. You can work from comfort of your home, and it's available nearly worldwide. So you really have to go ahead and try, see how much you're really going to make on the platform. Our next website is called Cracked, and your first 4 posts on the platform can get you paid $150, and after that you can start making up to $250 per one post that you're going to post on the platform. So on this platform you can be able to earn this kind of money just by doing a very simple task. All you want to do is for you to find something that you think it can put a smile on someone's face. So this platform is all about fun articles and all the stuff that can make someone laugh. So you really have to go ahead if you think you're really good at it. So you have to go ahead and try to see how much you're going to make on the platform, because there are a lot of fun articles you can just write and post, and in return you can get paid a reasonable amount of money. Go ahead and try this. Alright, so this can be the easiest way for you to start making money just by posting on internet. A lot of us, we have Instagram account, TikTok, Facebook, and all the social media. but we really don't know that we can make up to $300 per one post that we're going to make on the platform. So this is how it works. You have to go and join on this platform, which is called Impact, and on this platform there are a lot of companies which are ready to partner with you. And after having partnership with you, you can start sharing different links on your social media. It can be Instagram. Let's say that you just go on Instagram, you post your link, and this link can direct anyone who is going to click it and purchase something from these companies that you have partnership with. And if anyone who is going to purchase anything from that link you shared, you get paid, you get commission. You can get up to $300 just by one purchase on the platform. So you have to go ahead and try this partnership. The first step, as I said before, you have to go on this platform which is called Impact, and then you can join here affiliate influencer, and you can start receiving money just by affiliate programs. You really have to go ahead and try this, because I've seen a lot of people who are making decent amount of money. I had this friend of mine, he made more than $6,000 just by affiliate programs on the platform. So you really have to try this and see how much you're going to make just by doing that. So this is our last website, which is called International Living, and on this website you can get paid up to $100 per one article that you're going to post. And all you want to do is for you to go ahead and collect different data about the best prices for retired person to go there and retire. So on this website is all about people who are going to retire anytime soon. They usually go on this website and they search for best prices for them to go ahead and retire there. So this is how it works. All you want to do is for you to go ahead and try to collect all these data about the prices that you recommend these readers to go and retire there. All you want to do is for you to go ahead and try to join on this website. You can see how much you're really going to make just by writing articles about the best prices to retire. And there are a lot of information, there are a lot of sources on the internet. All you want to do is for you to go ahead and ask ChatGPT, ask on Google. You can find a lot of best prices for people who are supposed to retire anytime soon. It can be best for them. Thanks so much for watching my videos, and I hope that this video is really going to open doors for you. And never hesitate, you just have to go ahead and try on this website and see how much you're really going to make just by doing what I've showed on this website. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel. My name is David, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.